Welcome to Stafford Audi, where today we are delighted to be offering this stunning Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI S tronic. With this vehicle being approved and used, it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Looking now at the front of the vehicle, we have that lovely S-line grille, as well as the LED headlights, which are perfect for almost every weather condition. Looking down now at the wheels, these wheels are finished in the stunning silver. They are also 5-spoke and complement the blue exterior very nicely. Stepping back and looking at the side view, we have that dark grey panel on the rear, which is a lovely contrast again to the blue exterior. Looking into the rear of the Audi Q2 now, there are ISOFIX points located across the back row, as well as these lovely Navarra leather seats with the material inserts in the white and black pattern. There is also a host of aluminium finishes dotted around the interior. Moving now to the back of the car, that titanium coloured panel really does stand out, as well as those LED rear lights. You can then simply open the tailgate by pressing the button on the key, which does reveal a large holding area. This holding area is suitable for a large suitcase and maybe a few carry-on bags. There is also ample storage underneath the boot floor, maybe for some shopping bags or car essentials. You can then simply press the button just above your head to electrically close the tailgate. This particular car is finished in a highly sought after Navarra blue metallic. Now walking towards the driver's side door and opening into the Q2's interior. This interior features a host of Navarra leather, aluminium and material. As you can see, the interior is very spacious and accommodates these lovely S-line seats very nicely with those white stitching. The seats are also manually operated to ensure you find the correct seating position. There's also the S-line kick plates. So that completes my overall tour of the Audi Q2 35 TFSI S tronic. If you'd like any further information on the vehicle, then please do contact us on 01785 899 417. With the vehicle being approved and used, it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. I will now be taking you on a tour of the technology inside. Now inside the Audi Q2's interior and looking to the right, we have the electric window switches as well as the child lock for both the rear doors. This makes this car perfect for kids. Stepping back now and looking at the driver's view, we have this lovely round Navarra leather S-line steering wheel. To the left of that we have the controls for the virtual cockpit just above, in which you can alternate between the menus and also change the view. Down from that we have the automatic cruise control and a speed limiter assist, perfect for those longer motorway journeys. To the right there is a similar layout of buttons with the ability to accept and decline mobile phone calls, as well as access the nav by simply speaking in a location. Looking above at that virtual cockpit now, we have those two round digital dials with a background of your choice in which you can alternate through the menus. You can also press the view button to enhance that background. Looking now at the central display, this vehicle is also fitted with the satellite navigation, perfect from getting to A to B with that route guidance. There's also the telephone screen in which you can connect via Bluetooth for those hands-free calls on the go. It also features a host of radio stations to ensure you find the right music you're looking for. There is also the media tab in which you can connect via Bluetooth or USB. The car settings also allow you to configure what driving mode you would like between efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic, with the latter being the most sporty. Down from that we have the dual zone climate control, in which you can opt between cooling and heat and adjust where you would like the air to blow in the vehicle. Down from that we also have the automatic gear shifter, in which you can choose between drive, neutral and reverse. And then you can simply push back to put into park. This nozzle right here does control the virtual screen in which you have seen just above. We also have this lovely leather center armrest, which if opened does reveal a large storage area with a USB-C and a USB port. That completes my overall tour of the Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI S tronic. If If you'd like any further information on the vehicle, then please do contact us on 01785 899 417. This vehicle being approved and used does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance included.